This recipe took me months to perfect until I cracked the code using the best ingredients available. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariana Cortez. I'm the founder of the award-winning vegan bakery in Miami, Bunnie Cakes. Since day one, our products have been a success. Everyone that tries them for the first time always says the same. I can't believe it tastes better than regular cupcakes. It reminds me of my grandma's cake. And do you know why? Because this is my grandma's recipe, but vegan. This recipe took me months of research and trial and error to perfect until I cracked the code using the best ingredients available. The final result is a moist and delicious cake that everybody loves. This recipe, besides being vegan, is dairy and egg-free, nut and peanut-free, soy-free, with no artificial flavors or colors, and certified kosher non-dairy. The perfect vegan cake and cupcake batter. After more than 10 years of success leading the South Florida market in vegan cakes and cupcakes, our happy customers started asking when we were gonna start shipping to other states. A request that is really difficult to carry off without sacrificing the freshness and the signature decoration. And then the idea popped up. What if we can package and ship our batter, and everyone can bake delicious vegan cupcakes and cakes at home? So today, I'm sharing the good news with all of you. You can bake vegan from scratch using our Bunnie Cakes vegan cake batter. It's so easy. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease the bottom of your pan for your cake. For cupcakes, you can use liners instead. Pour and bake according to your pan size. You will bake like a pro: cupcakes, cakes, donuts, cake pops, you name it. This batter is also school-friendly, meaning that you can bake at home and take it to school without worrying about allergens. I invite you to go ahead and try it. Order now from bunniecakes.com and we will ship it directly to your home. And don't tell anyone, but Bunnie Cakes vegan frosting and vegan sprinkles are coming really soon. Subscribe to learn tons of ideas on how to use our batter and share it with your friends. And remember, I'm giving you some recipes and ideas that work for me, but follow your heart and enjoy the ride. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next one.